Hello, today we will learn how to get a square of a two-digit number in 20 or 30 seconds. And trick is really very helpful in exams. So there are two methods to get square of two-digit number. One method is, I will teach you. First I'll tell you the first method. This is a square 2ab b square. Let's say I have to find out square of 25. So what I'll do is I'll say 2 as my a, 5 as my b. So a square is 4 and 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 2 4 into 5 is 20. And then b square is, here b is 5, so square of 5 is 25. Now what I'll do is I'll just add it up in a fashion so that this digit will be carried forward. So I'll write only one digit here and this 2 will be carried forward here as 22. So I'll write 2 here and 2 from 22 will be carried forward here and this will become 6. So 625 is the answer. Now let's say I have to get the square of 88. This will be 8 square, 2 into 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 2 is 128. Then b square. B is also 8. So this is also 8 square. That is 64. So 4 and 6 is carried forward. So 6 is carried forward here as 128 plus 6. That's 134. So in the next step I can write is 4 and 4 here and 13 is carried forward, so it will become 77. So 7744 is my answer. We can look on more examples like 63 square. So this will become 6 square. 2 into 6 into 3 is 12 into 2 into 6 into 3, 2 into 6 is 12. 12 into 3 is 36. And then 3 square, that is 9. So I can write here 9, 6. Now 36 plus 3 is 39. 3969. There are other methods to find out square, like for 25 or 35 or a number which ends on 5. Let's say I have to find out square of 35. Then this trick is like 3 into 4 and then write 25. 3 into 4 is 12. So 1225 is my answer. Here in 20, if I had to find out 25 square with this method, then this will be 2 and the digit after 2 comes in 3. So 2 into 3 and 25, that's 625. And let's say find out square of 95. So this will come out to be 9 into 10. 9 into 10, 25. But this trick will only work when the end digit is 5 in two-digit numbers. And for this, but this trick will work everywhere. So for exam, I will urge you to remember the trick which will work everywhere, because you cannot remember tens of hundreds of tricks in the exam, because when you have to calculate under pressure, then you won't remember all that tricks. In the next video, I will tell you one more method to find out square of the number using base method. But base method is useful in finding out squares of 3-digit number as well. So in the next video we will find out squares of 3-digit numbers.
testbharat.com you can get free test series of all major competitive exams. All these services, all these tests are absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself on testbharat.com or download our Android app as Test Bharat on Google Play.